Hey guys, here's how to completely uninstall the Voicemeeter driver. First, close Voicemeeter and any audio apps you're using. Go to your Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. Click Programs and Features, find Voicemeeter, and uninstall it. Next, press Windows plus X, choose Device Manager, and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click any Voicemeeter entries and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check Delete the driver software if it appears. Finally, restart your PC to clear it from your system. And that's it!